we got screwed out of like $400 or $500. There's our budget for the birthday. All right, it's Mom's official, unofficial 60th birthday. All right, we made it to the Luxor. So we turned the $20 free play into $14.28, but you had to put in $1, so $13.28. We turned the free play into $31. We're over here at New York, New York. It's kind of eerie. It's so dead out here. We turned the free play at Park MGM to like $11. We made it to Treasure Island. Cheers. Birthday. This is the second official date. And we got the stage here. Just got out of Benihana's. One multiplier would have killed it right there, dude. What is up, JT Squad? It is December 7th. Tomorrow is Mom's birthday. We're actually going to celebrate her birthday tonight. We're going to see what kind of free comps we can get for her birthday. I know we got a $30 ticket off a menu item at Benihana's. So, that's pretty awesome. We're going to go there. We were going to go to Trevi, but we changed our mind just because it's a little more expensive. We wanted a little higher budget for drinking and possibly a little gambling. But the craziest thing happened yesterday. My friend, she wanted me to do a bet for her, sports bet. My bets got annihilated yesterday. I don't know what was going on. But she wanted to do money line. I even wrote money line. I told the guy money line. Well, I put up the tickets. I checked the first two. They looked fine. I said, okay. So I grabbed the little pile. There was 5 tickets. Well, this one, he ended up putting in for a spread bet. Well, I told the money line, I should have went back because when I got to the at the end of the sports book and then went to the counter, I realized, damn, this ain't money line. It's supposed to be money line. But never believe it. She hit on all these games, guys. All these games. It's kind of hard to see. It doesn't want to focus, but she hit on every single game. Saints, Vikings, Colts, Packers, Patriots, Rams, Raiders, and Dolphins. It was a $1,700 win if she got all the spreads. Well, the spreads weren't met, so we got screwed out of like $400 or $500. But that's my fault. I should have went back and said money line. I even have it written down on my notebook paper. But let's go call some of these places and see what kind of free play we get on Mom's birthday. We're going to use a lot of our free play. And let's do this. There's our budget for the birthday. $440. Drinks, gambling, food, whatever we need. But let's bring back a whole big pile of money on top of that. Made it to the Luxor. We're gonna cash in this $20 free play for Mom's birthday. Wish us luck. Hopefully we hit something. Let's go in there, right?
Yep, let's go.
So we turned the $20 free play into $14.28, but you had to put in $1, so $13.28. Then we put a 20 and lost that, so we're down $6.80 something right now. So you've seen that we turned the free play into $31, so that's good. So we actually won like, what was it, like $40 on free play or something like that. So $45, 2 plays is $20 a piece. Now we're gonna go check out Park MGM and get our $25 free play there. Here at New York. We're going to try to go through this way to go to Park MGM to use that $25 free play. Over here at Park MGM, it's kind of eerie. It's so dead out here because they closed the hotel part Monday through Thursday. We're crossing our fingers that we can get the free play, because I know they said M-Life Desk's not open, but they gotta have the cashier do the players cards too, so the casino's open. We turned the free play at Park MGM to like $11 and put 20 back in. Didn't really hit none on that, but we are gonna head over to Benihana's for Mom's birthday dinner. We haven't even got one drink, and in casinos, there was one lady walking around at Luxor, but we were getting ready to head to Excalibur right when she showed up. So hopefully I can get a beer or something. And we took an Uber, so Mom didn't have to drive, and no drinks. So definitely gonna hit up a drink at the restaurant. Then we'll probably get some of them big frozen margaritas. I think we're down about 50, 60 bucks so far. Gambling, it's just no luck, but it's all good. Just got out of Benihana's Japanese hibachi steakhouse in front of Fashion Show Mall. That place was awesome. So good. It was only $55 because we had a $30 off coupon because Mom's birthday. And now we're going to head to the Wynn and use Mom's $10 free play. And then we're going to head back to Treasure Island. We're going to get some more drinks in us too. So that's the plan right now. It's about 9, 10 at night. It took like 2 hours at the hibachi place, but it was worth it. It was a really good dinner. And Mom enjoyed it. Didn't you like it? Mom enjoyed the dinner, correct?
It was really super good.
What was your favorite part? Favorite part? The dinner. The steak?
The steak.
The steamed rice that they almost forgot to give us, or the shrimp. I like the little pieces of shrimp. Those were really good. I should have just got shrimp. And it had this special sauce. It was really good. But yeah, let's head over there now. We used a $10 free play at the Wynn. Didn't really hit nothing, to be honest. We played Buffalo Gold, and it was just nothing really. We put in 20, lost that too. But we're gonna head to Treasure Island. We haven't been there tonight, and hopefully get some drinks, because we haven't really been drinking really. We haven't been really getting any drinks. So hopefully we can get some drinks, even if we have to go to CVS and grab a couple 24 ounces or something. Come back to Treasure Island. We're down like $100 and some. We're having fun. Bam, 2 machines. I kid you not, man. We started with 440. We're at exactly 440. So weird. I'm like, holy cow. We ate dinner for free. We had some drinks. We're waiting on another drink now. It's 11:20 at night. Mom's never stayed out this late a day in her life, has she?
No, not very often.
But it is her birthday. And for some reason, Treasure Island Monday night, I know a lot of people say, oh, you know, you always talk about the, but for some reason we come on Mondays, and probably the last 10 times we've came, we've won like 8 out of 10. Maybe 7 out of 10, but for real, it's just crazy here. So now we have exactly the same bankroll we started with like 7 hours ago. So it's good. Yay. Mom's excited, so. We still got, the night's still kind of young, so we got a couple more hours, and then we're probably gonna call the Uber and head back home. Guys, it's 1:25 in the morning. We're leaving Treasure Island. We broke completely even. I can't believe it. Brought 440, bringing back like 370. But we had dinner and we bought some souvenirs and some drinks. Thank you for watching the videos. Make sure you are subscribed. We'll see you for the next one.
Can't wait till we make it. Fair girl. That's the life of JT. He gon' keep it real what he's thinking.